Hey, what's up, Josh? Gordon. I'll quickly take you through a little bit what we do, show you what we could do for you, a little bit what we've done for some other folks, kind of go from there. So, I want to walk you through a couple of the top competitors in the Dayton area for Windows, window repair, and replacement windows. Kind of the same thing with doors. I'm not going to go through the doors because it's kind of the same deal, um, but I think you'll get the idea. So we talk about kind of what it takes or what we do to get your business kind of shown to more people. I'm going to walk you through a scenario here. So did a search here for replacement windows in Dayton, Ohio. What you got here are the ads. We do these, but we don't specialize in them. Um, the better value is down here in the organic search results. We also do map listings. Those are fine. Just a one-time fee that we can set up. They will generate some results, but here's where most of the money is. These first 3 to 5 slots here. So we pull up the first one as Windows Plus. So there are 3 main ingredients to get your business kind of bubbled up to the top there in search results. First thing is content. Got to have a lot of authoritative, well-written, descriptive content on your site. Lots of descriptive paragraphs around what you do and where you do it. The specific site here, Windows Plus, is okay. We typically shoot for at least 1,000 words per page. That allows for plenty of descriptive content. The second thing that we do is what's called citations. And a citation is essentially a little digital business card with your business name, address, and phone number plopped into little directories around the internet. They provide a source of backlinks, which leads into the third most important thing, and those are the backlinks themselves. And a backlink is essentially an endorsement from one site to another or one business to another. So if you get an endorsement from, say, I don't know, Pella or some big window brand to your business, that's essentially Pella endorsing your business. So the more backlinks or endorsements we get, the better off we are. Most of those links are paid. There are opportunities that we pay different website managers in different industries for access to write an article on their website in exchange for a link. That provides a little extra juice, a little extra power to the site. So that's a little bit about how all this works. I'm going to show you a couple little things here about how we measure success. So again, this is Windows Plus. I'm going to go to a tool that we use called SEMrush. And I plopped in Windows Plus Dayton, their site here, to kind of show you a little bit about how they're measured when it comes to Google and whatnot. So some of this is it's all somewhat subjective, but what isn't and what I look at a lot are what are they getting found for? Their top organic keywords. So right now they're getting found for replacement windows and doors, window companies, Windows, Dayton, Ohio. You can see the search volume. This is a monthly. And then you can see what position they're in. This helps a little bit with keyword research and also to get an idea of how well they're ranking. I also look at this as backlinks. Okay, it's obviously an important measure. So they're doing okay. I'm going to go over do a search. I did a search for a window repair, Dayton, Ohio. Come down to the first business where you got Home Advisor, the BBB, and then Lumpkins Glass. Kind of same deal here. Nice site. Nothing wrong with it at all. It's kind of thin content. I think it's very, very beatable. What gives me even more hope is when I come over here, I see 32 backlinks. Again, this is Lumpkin Glass. This is a different one. 32 backlinks. You know, it's just thin. I think the opportunity is there, and you can see the decent search volume for some of this stuff. So, I'm going to show you a couple things that we've done with some of our customers. So Did a site for an auto repair person here in Dayton called Smith's Auto in Dayton. You can see here's ranked number 4 for keyword auto repair Dayton, Ohio, $320 a month. Come over to the site. This is what I'm talking about. Content, lots of content, very descriptive. It leaves no question about what they do and where they do it. Now when you come to their metrics, okay, Smith's Auto Dayton, we've got 4,000 backlinks going to him, okay? And he'll be generating revenue from this site for a long time. So you can see now what he's getting found for. He's number 1 for mechanics in Dayton, $90 a month. Auto repair Dayton. We saw him at 4. It looked like he's showing 3 here. Dayton auto repair is 5. This is a case where he wanted to stop because he couldn't take any more business. So he knows if he wants a little bit more, we can just push a little harder for a couple more months, and he can even generate even more revenue. So that's one example. Another example, I got a taxi service here in Dayton, and this is my site here, Dayton's Taxi Service. Come over here, and again, it's kind of the flavor of what we do. A lot of content, some pictures, but the content is as much for the search engine as it is the customer. We do the same for you, man. There's nothing that I've seen in doing the research for window and door repair that leads me to believe that we can't do the same for you. So I'll throw a little something together. I'll let you know how much it might be. Fairly flexible, so I'm sure we could probably find a way to work something out. All right, I went a little long here. I normally go for 5 minutes. I went for 7. Sorry about that. All right, Josh, take care.